To monitor the activities, I'll go to the Intune admin center. The Intune portal is intune.microsoft.com. We'll go to the users blade. From users blade, I can monitor all the users that I have, and if I want to check their audit logs, the operations they have performed in directory, or the sign-in logs where I can check the sign-in details into this tenant. And we have different columns here like date, request ID, user, application status, IP address, location, conditional access, and many more details are there. This user is Aaron as per the scenario that we wanted to monitor, that what are the sign-in activities of this user, from what location the user has logged in, whether this login was successful or not. I can generate this report. I have been provided the criterion filters on top, where from I can choose the date, the data I can see. If I want to see more details, I can click on that particular log. There I can check the basic info like the date, request ID, correlation ID, authentication requirement status, and many more attributes there, user type, cross tenant, and all that. Whereas we can check the locations. Location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. IP address is this. So this is the location where from the user logged in. Device info is mobile device, and it was Safari 15.3 operating system, 15.8 iOS. Authentication details, it was through password has synchronization. It was successful authentication. These are the details. Any conditional access policy that was enforced, no conditional access policy in this case, and report only. So these are some of the details that I can fetch related to users sign-in behavior. Well, these activities can be ingested into the SIEMs or tools like Microsoft Sentinel as well, or into any other telemetry system that you use to correlate these activities and to hunt for the threats in future. If I go to the devices and take you to Seattle Workstation 1 to do the inventory, I have the option to do the Resource Explorer hardware I can check of this device. So name is Seattle Workstation 1, and the management name, operating system details, subscription, storage, system endosers, different details I can check here. In the Resource Explorer, the battery, BIOS, because this is actually a virtual machine, so it does not include any battery, but yeah, BIOS info, CPU, disk drives can be collected, and that data can be displayed here. So this is the normal hardware inventory that we do in any endpoint configuration manager, like the SCCM in past we used to do, the System Center Configuration Manager. We can check the device configurations applied to this device and logged in user, be it RN or system account through which we logged in. So these are the device configurations that were applied on the Seattle Workstation 1. We can check the app configuration, local admin password, recovery keys, user experience, device diagnostics, group memberships, managed apps. So there are lots of blades under the monitor that we can use to collect this data and figure out any issues, any conflict, or any type of breach that we want to troubleshoot.